Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Voice chat is a great feature because it lets you talk to other players in games, coordinate strategies, and have a more interactive experience overall. As you can see, I have this option. I will show you how to get it. For this guide, we'll be using the Roblox website. Start by opening any web browser and going to the Roblox site, then sign into your account. First, make sure your account meets the requirements. You must be at least 13 years old to use voice chat. You can confirm this by checking your account age, which should show 13 plus. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open settings. One way to enable voice chat is by verifying your phone number. In account info, find the phone number section and click add. Enter your number, receive the verification code, and confirm it by entering the code on Roblox. However, this option is available in some regions. After verifying your phone number, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions from the left menu. Scroll to the Communications section, where you should see the voice chat option. Keep in mind that Roblox recently updated the voice chat option to voice data usage, so don't be confused, it's the same thing. Now, once you are here and if this option still doesn't appear, go back to Account Info and verify your age using a selfie or an official ID. Once age verification is complete, return to Privacy and Content Restrictions, find Communication, and you should now see the voice chat or voice data usage option available. Enable this option by toggling it on. At this point, voice chat is enabled on your account, but you still need to configure it inside a supported game. Join a Roblox game that supports voice chat. Once you are in the game, then press the Roblox icon in the top left corner, or press ESC to open the in-game menu. From there, go to Settings and scroll down to Input Device. Make sure you select the correct microphone you want to use. You can also choose the correct output device so you can hear other players clearly. Once everything is set, unmute yourself by clicking the microphone icon in the top left corner. That's it. Voice chat should now be fully enabled, and other players will be able to hear you in supported games. So that's basically how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.